Namaskaram. Welcome to the new episode of Nritya Sabarya. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about another classical dance form from India, which is very graceful and it hails from the state Andhra Pradesh. That is Kuchipudi. Let's begin.
Pamagamaga, Nisagama Pamagamaga, Pamagamaga, Nimagari Sanida Nidisa, Pamagamaga, Nisagama Pamagamaga.
Kuchipudi is a classical dance form originating from the state of Andhra Pradesh in South India. It combines elements of dance, mime, and acting to present themes from Hindu mythology and epics like the Ramayana and Mahabharata. Known for its graceful movements, intricate footwork, and expressive gestures, Kuchipudi is performed with live music typically featuring Carnatic music compositions. It often includes solo performances as well as group dances, showcasing a blend of rhythmic patterns and storytelling through dance.